Hello and welcome dear student. Today we will start exercise 3.2 class 10th NCERT mathematics. Okay. So our first question is form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Okay. So first we have to form pair of linear equation in the following problems, means we have to form in algebraically form and again find your solution graphically. So our first question is 10 students of class 10th took part, take a participate in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, so come let's solve this question. First we write here exercise 3.2. Okay, so solution first of first. So first we will suppose the number of boys who take part in the quiz. Suppose the number of boys and girls are x and y respectively. Okay, so according to question we write 10 students of the class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz, means total number of students x plus y equal 10. Suppose it is the equation 1. Also it is the first equation. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, means suppose it is y and it is x. It is said that the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. When we add plus 4 to the number of boys, then we can say this expression and this expression will be equal. Okay, so it is suppose the equation second. So first we will make solution table. Okay, so here we write from equation 1, we write y in terms of x and 3. So the solution table of equation 3 is x, means first we put x is equal to 0 in this, we get y is equal to 10. Again when we put x is equal to 10, we get y is equal to 0. Okay, again we write the solution table of equation 2 is, because the equation 2 is already written as in the form of y in terms of x y. We put x is equal to here 0, we get y is equal to 4. When we put x is equal to minus 4, we get y is equal to 0. Okay, so you can see here equation 1 and 2 represents the graph algebraically. Okay, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So we write here the graphical the graphical solution of equation 1 and 2 is, so first we draw xy plane. It is origin, it is x-axis, it is y-axis. We take along x-axis 2 centimeter, means 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. Four, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2 minus 4 minus. Along y-axis we take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. Okay, so when we take from table 1 x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. First point is this. When we take x is equal to 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, we get y is equal to 0. So second point is this. We join these 2 points. Okay. Again, in the second table, when we take x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 4. Again, we take x is equal to minus 4, we get y is equal to 0. We join these 2. So we write the name of the equation of these 2 lines. It represent x plus y plus equal 10, and also it will be y is equal to x plus 4. Since the both line intersect this point, so the coordinate, first we find out the coordinates of this point. X coordinates will be, we draw the perpendicular from here to the x-axis and here to the y-axis. Okay, when we draw the perpendicular on the x-axis, we get y coordinate. Okay, so here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, it is 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, minus 2, minus 4. Okay, so here you can observe that it is 3. Okay, so our y coordinates will be 3. And again, when we draw perpendicular on the y-axis, we get x coordinates is 7 because it is 7. Okay, so here we can write number of boys equal 7. Sorry, what is the number of boys? The number of boys is x, so the value of x is 7. Okay, because it is x-axis, so you can get here, sorry, here it is a mistake, 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Okay, so the number of boys will be 3. Number of boys will be 3. First, because we first write the x coordinates and again we write y coordinates. Okay, because x coordinates is 3 and y coordinate is 7. So number of boys equal to 3 and number of girls equals 7. Okay, so our so the solution of first question is completed. Now look second question of first. So our second question is now look, 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. Okay, so we write, so first we suppose the cost of one pen and one pencil are x rupees and y rupees respectively. Okay, so according to question, our first situation is 5 pencil and 7 pencils cost 50 rupees. 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. It is the first equation. Also the second equation will be by the situation 7 pencils and 5 pens means 5 pens and 7 pencils. Okay, 7 pens and 5 pens. Sorry, in the first situation 5 pencil and 7 pens. 5 pencils and 7 pens, and the second situation 7 pencils and 5 pens. So suppose pens, one pen is y and one pencil is x. Okay, so second situation will be 7x plus 5y equal to 46. So it is our second equation. Okay, now from equation 1 we write equation 1, y in the terms of x, y is equal to will be 550 minus 5x upon 7. Okay, so the solution table table of equation 3 is x, y. X is equal to, when we put x is equal to 0, so we take the value of x such that we get the value of y as an integer. So when we put x is equal to 1, we get 25, 2 we get 10, 3 we get 15, and when subtract 15 from 50 we get 35. It will divisible by 7, so 3 we get 5. When we put x is equal to 6, okay, you can say x is equal to minus 3, so 5 3s are 15 plus 15, so it will give rational number. Again when we put x is equal to 4, 5 4s are 20, 5 25, 6 30, 7 35. Okay, Now put x is equal to -1, you will get 45, 55, -2, 5 2 is 10, -10, okay, plus 10 will be 50. X is equal to -4, you will get 20, -30. X is equal to you will get 20, so put x is equal to -4, you will get 70, okay. 20 plus 50 70, and y is equal to you will get 10. Also from equation 2, the write down y in the terms of x, 46 minus 7x upon 5, okay. First we put x is equal to 0, it is not divisible. X is equal to 1, 7 1 is 7, it will be 39. X is equal to 2, 14, 46 minus 14 means like 32. X is equal to 3, 21, and it will be 25. So table is the solution table of equation 4 is x is equal to put 3, you will get 25 upon 5 means 5, okay. X is equal to -2, -2 means 7 2 is 14, 46 plus 14, 46 plus 14 will be 60, so you will get x is equal to -2, you will get 60 12, okay. The value of when we put x is equal to -2, we get y is equal to 12. So we write the graphical solution of equation 1 and 2 is, okay. So we draw the graph. X-axis, y-axis. Here we can observe in the both tables the maximum value of x is 3 and the minimum value of x is -4. Also for y, the maximum values of y is 12 and minimum 5. So along y-axis we will take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit, and along x-axis we will take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, so in the first table, when x is equal to 3, you get 5. So it is 3 2 4 6 8, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 2 4 6 8 10 -2 -4, okay. So now look, when x is equal to 3, you will get y is equal to 5. will be here 3 comma 5, and when you take x is equal to -4, okay, you will get y is equal to 10. -4 at -4 we get 10. So second point is this. We join these two. Again, when x is equal to 3, we get y is equal to 5. So the point will be same. And x is equal to -2, y is equal to 12. -2 and 12, y is equal to 12. So 12 will be here. Okay, 12 will be here. -2 and 12. Okay, we join these two. Now we draw perpendicular from the intersection point of two lines on the x-axis and also on the y-axis. So we get the point as 3 comma 5. Okay, so our answer is, so we write here cost of 1 pen equal rupees 5, and also cost of 1 pencil equal 3 rupees. Now our next question is question number third. Question number second. On comparing the ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point and are parallel or coincident. Means intersecting lines parallel or they coincide. Okay, our first question is 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal 0, 11x plus 6y minus 9 equal 0. So we will solve. Solution second, first of second. First line we will write here the pair of linear equations is 5x minus 4y seven x y 0. Okay, so here we will compare these two equations from this a1x plus b1y plus c1. Okay, so we write here on comparing this pair to the pair x plus p1y, c1 equal 0, and a2x plus p2y, c2 equal 0. Okay, so we get a1 equal 5, b1 equal -4, c1 equal 8, a2 equals 7. Okay, b2 will be 6, c2 will be -9. Now a1 upon a2 equal 5 upon 7, b1 upon b2 minus 4 upon 6 means -2 upon 3, c1 upon c2 8 upon -9. Okay, so we can observe here a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. We know that when a1 upon a2 will not equal to b1 upon b2, then we can say that pair of linear equation intersect at a point. Okay, therefore pair of linear equations will intersect at a point. Now second question is the pair of linear equation is 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal 0, x plus 3y plus 12 equal 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal 0. Okay, on comparing this pair to the pair a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 and a2x plus 2y plus c2 equal 0. Okay, we get a1 equal 9, b1 equal 3, c1 equal 12, a2 equal 18, b2 equal 6, c2 equal 24. Now a1 upon a2 equal 9 upon 80 means 1 upon 2, b1 b2 equal 1 upon 2, c1 c2 1 upon 2 again. Okay, since a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, these three are equal, therefore we write pair of linear equations are coincident. Pair of linear equations are Okay, this is the second. Our third question is the first we write the pair of given pair of linear equations is 6x minus 3y plus 10, 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal 0. Okay, so we will write here on comparing this pair to the pair a1x b1y plus c1 and a2x b2 plus c2 equal 0. We get a1 equal 6, b1 equal minus 3, c1 equal 10, a2 equals 2, b2 equal minus 1, c2 equal 9. Now we find out the ratio. a2 6 upon 2 3, b1 b2 3 upon minus 1 3, c1 c2 10 upon 9. Okay, so we will write next line. Since a1 a2 equal to b1 b2 but both does not equal to c1 c2, therefore pair of linear equations will be parallel. Okay, our third question is, look the third question, solution of the third question. Our third question is, now look, on comparing the ratios, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. We know that pair of linear equations will be consistent if they have unique solution or they have infinitely many solutions. Okay, and inconsistent if they have no solutions. Okay, so our first question is 3x plus 2y equal 5, first equation, and 2x minus 3y equals 7, second equation. So first question we write, given pair of equations. Okay, given pair of equations is 3x plus 2y equal 5, 2x 3y equal 7. So here you can observe that a1 equal 3, b1 2, c1 minus 5. Okay, a2 2, b2 minus 3, C2 minus 7. Now we will find out ratio A1 A2 B1 B2 C1 C2. A1 A2 3 upon 2, B1 B2 2 upon minus 3, C1 C2 5 upon minus 7. Since A1 A2 does not equal B1 B2, therefore pair of linear equations here you can write here R. Okay, hence the pair of linear equations are pair of linear equations have unique solution. Okay, therefore pair are consistent. Okay, again second equation, question number second. We write given pair of R, pair of linear equations are two x minus 3y equal 8, 4x plus 6y equal 9. Okay, so take out A1 to B1, C1 A2 B2 C2 9. Okay, now we will take out the ratios A2 1 upon 2, B1 B2 1 upon 2, C1 C2 8 upon minus 9, 8 upon 9. We can observe here A1 A2 B1 B2 are equal, but these are not equal to C1 C2. Okay, since A1 A2 B1 B2 C1 C2, therefore pair of equations have pairs of equations have pairs of equations have have pair of equations have no solution. Therefore pair of equations are inconsistent. Okay. Our third question is, firstly write given pair of equations are given pair of equations are 3/2x plus 5/3y equals 7. 2x plus 3y equal, sorry, 9x minus 10y equal 4. Okay. Equal 14. Okay. X minus 10y 3/2 5/3. So here a1 equal, b1 equal, and again c1 equal, a2 equal, b2 equal, c2 equal. Now we will find out ratio. Three upon 2/9. It will give 3/2 into 9 means 1/6. b1/b2 means 5/3